These are the new wiper blades I'm putting on. Michelin. 21 for the drivers, 19 for the passenger. And so I'll start by just taking it out of the package. This just opens up on top here. Slide it out. Set this down. I'll just put a pad here on the windshield, a knee pad, to cover up the windshield in case this comes off and this falls down and hits the windshield so you don't break the windshield. And so you just tip it up like this, pull straight down on it. Sometimes it's hard to get off because it's rusty back in here. And I like to just leave it like that, get the new one out. And get it set up the same way, and just pull this off. Comes right through here. Then the new one goes on like this. It goes straight in like this. Straight in there. It should click in there, but sometimes you don't hear the click. And then just tip it back, put it down, and that one's done. And go to the other side. My 19. Put the pad down on the windshield. I'll unbox this one too. This tab just pulls back. Dump it out. Tip this up. Tip the blade straight up. Pull straight down. That one's like that. This one's going to be like this. You can get it on backwards, but it won't click in. You can get them so both these things look the same. I came off like that, so take this one, put it through this hole, pull up till it clicks in there, put it back in. That's all there is to it.